for some help with tonight's homework, Tuesday night. Unit 8, Lesson 1, Independent Practice. The first problem I'm going to do is problem number 7. They give you this diagram, and they ask you to name a pair of complementary angles in the diagram. We remember from our math card today, complementary angles equal 90 degrees. The sum of the pair of angles equals 90 degrees. And the way to remember that is a 90-degree angle is a right angle, and a complement is the right thing to do, right. Just remember the word right, and you'll remember 90 degrees. So we're looking for two angles that equal 90 degrees. There's more than one answer to this question. We could take these two angles and we would name them this way: angle ABC and angle CBD. Those two angles equal 90 degrees, 60 plus 30. There's another answer, but I'll leave that to you to find. Number 8 asks us to name a pair of supplementary angles in the diagram. Supplementary angles, when you think of supplementary, starts with letter S, and so does straight. Supplementary angles add up to a straight angle, so they equal 180 degrees. And just like the last problem, there's many answers to this. We can find a 90-degree angle right here, ABD, and its supplement would be another 90-degree angle, and there's another one, DBF. There are some less obvious answers, quite a few possible answers to this problem actually, so see if you can find another one. Next problem, at the bottom of the page, says to use the protractor in the diagram to read the measure of each angle. And we're trying to find a pair of complementary angles. Answer choice C says that, remember, complementary angles will add up to 90 degrees. DXE is this angle, and if we start, it starts at 0 on the inside scale and goes to 45, so that's a 45-degree angle. It says that that angle and BXC are complementary. Well, BXC doesn't start at 0, it starts at 45 right here and goes to, remember, we're pulling that 45 off the outer scale, so I need to read this point off the outer scale, and that's go from 45 to 95. So that is a 50-degree angle. 50 plus 45 does not equal 90, so rule out answer choice A. Answer choice B says AXC. AXC, A starts here on the outer scale at 0, and C ends here on the outer scale at 95. So that's actually, this angle right here is actually already 95 degrees, which is more than 90, so we can rule out that answer choice. Answer choice C says DXE. DXE we've already measured is 45 degrees. And angle AXB. A again starts at 0 degrees on the outer scale, and at B it ends at 45 degrees on the outer scale. So this angle is 45 degrees. And the two angles I've circled, 45 plus 45, do equal 90 degrees. So there's our answer, C. Let's just make sure this last one doesn't work. CXD. CXD looks to be about, starts at 95 and goes to 135. That's 40 degrees. And AXB, we've already measured, is 45, so that would be 85. So that one's not right either. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework. Here's a chance to win a golden ticket. Go to your book and turn to page 451. There's a challenging problem on 451. It's problem number 26. Show your work and bring that in. If you're the first one to bring in the correct answer, you'll win a golden ticket. Anyone else who brings in an answer to that golden ticket question will win 10 tickets for the next weekly drawing. All right, see you in the morning.